What if one simple leaf could help destroy diabetes, melt belly fat, and clear clogged arteries faster than any medicine? Doctors are amazed, and new scientific research is finally revealing the incredible power behind this natural miracle. It is not a gimmick. It is a real leaf packed with unique nutrients that balance blood sugar, boost insulin sensitivity, and protect your heart and nerves. Curious to learn how something so simple can impact your health profoundly? Let's dive in. First up, the mulberry leaf. Used in traditional medicine for centuries and now supported by American and Japanese studies, mulberry leaf tea or extract stabilizes blood sugar, melts visceral fat, and clears artery blockages. Just 2 grams of dried mulberry leaf powder contains protein, fiber, and a rare bioactive compound called deoxynitromycin, or D&J. This compound blocks sugar digestion enzymes, preventing glucose spikes after meals. It also supports insulin function, pancreatic health, and blood vessel flexibility while reducing LDL cholesterol and improving nerve and muscle health. Regular use can lower fasting blood glucose by up to 25%, reduce artery clogging cholesterol by 18%, and improve endothelial function by 25%. For best results, steep 2 grams in hot water for 7 minutes and drink before meals twice daily. Next is the bay leaf, a kitchen spice with powerful anti-diabetic properties. Just 1 gram of dried bay leaf slows glucose absorption, improves insulin sensitivity by 25%, and contains unique polyphenols like eugenol that reduce inflammation and liver glucose production. Regular bay leaf use can lower fasting blood sugar by 24%, reduce artery stiffness, and help burn belly fat by activating fat metabolism. Minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium support vascular health and blood pressure control. To use, boil 2 dried bay leaves in water for 10 minutes, strain, and drink twice daily after meals. Avoid drinking on an empty stomach and never use powdered bay leaf tea. Third, stevia leaf. The sweet leaf known not just for 0 calories, but its ability to stabilize blood sugar and melt belly fat. Stevia contains powerful compounds that stimulate insulin secretion and improve glucose absorption without raising blood sugar. It lowers fasting glucose by 18% and improves HbA1c by 0.6%. Rich in antioxidants and minerals, it protects your heart, arteries, kidneys, and nerves from damage. Brew fresh or dried leaves as tea and drink before breakfast to enjoy steady energy and appetite control throughout the day. Avoid processed stevia powders with additives that may raise blood sugar. Fourth, bonobo leaf, known as the plant insulin. This remarkable leaf is rich in corosolic acid, which reduces fasting blood sugar by 30% and activates sugar uptake in cells like natural insulin. It also melts stubborn belly fat by triggering metabolic fat-burning pathways. Studies show a 20% drop in visceral fat and improved cholesterol profiles. Minerals and antioxidants in bonobo support nerves, muscles, and blood vessels, reducing diabetic complications. Prepare bonobo leaf tea by steeping 3 to 5 grams of dried leaves for 7 minutes and drinking twice daily before meals. Each of these powerful leaves offers natural science-backed ways to support diabetic health, burn fat, and improve cardiovascular function, providing a triple benefit that conventional medicines often can't match. When incorporated safely and consistently, they balance blood sugar, enhance insulin sensitivity, reduce arterial plaque, soothe nerves, and support weight loss. Remember to consult your healthcare provider before adding these herbs, especially if you're on medications, to monitor blood sugar and avoid any adverse effects. Use quality organic leaves and steep properly to preserve active compounds. This natural arsenal demonstrates that sometimes nature holds the simplest yet most potent solutions for the challenges of diabetes and metabolic health. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share to discover more trusted health secrets. Take control of your health today with the power of nature's healing leaves.